Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 11, leçon S. And in this lesson, we'll continue with this huge topic, identical words in English and French, and we'll concentrate on the words ending with E-O-N, okay? And then remember that the main thing with these E-O-N words in English that it must exist, of course, in French, because it's not the case for all the E-O-N words in English. And then in some cases, we'll have some modifications in the writing in French, okay? So let's continue with 50 new words. Émancipation, émission, émotion, épilation, équation, équitation, érosion, éruption, estimation, évacuation, évaluation, évaporation, évasion, évolution, exaltation, exaspération, exception, exclamation, exclusion, excursion, expansion, expatriation, expédition, expiration, explication, exploitation, exploration, explosion, exposition, expression, expulsion, extension, externalisation, extinction, extraction, extrapolation, fabrication, fascination, fédération, fiction, fixation, formation, formulation, fraction, fragmentation, frustration, fusion, généralisation, génération, glaciation. And that's it for these 50 words. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. Please like me on Facebook. This is the place where you can find me on Facebook. And then more material if you want, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.